With BlueStacks Android Emulator on your PC, you can watch free movies just like they do on your Android phone. Launch BlueStacks. I will maximize this. Let's wait for it to load. Here we have it. The next, we'll click on Home icon on the BlueStacks application, click System Apps, click Play Store, click Get Started, make purchase in second. We're going to click on Skip for now. The next is click on Search icon, then search for Movie Box. Click Enter. We'll scroll down to Movie Box here, click on it, then click Install. Let us wait. While you are waiting, you can also download other movie apps like Drama Box, Movie Drama, and TV, depending on your choice though. Okay, good. It's done installing. Let us open it up. You can see we have a lot of free movies you can watch. I will scroll down to see more. Wow, we have a lot here. I will click on download. Click see what you can download. I will click movie from the library up here. You can see that. I will fast forward it for now. If you want to get some heads up about the movie, click on synopsis, which means like to get a summary of the movie. And you can also download the movie to the application. And there you have it. If this is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.